So I met with my young lady with Turner syndrome today for the first actual lesson. We did the assessment last time. The main takeaways I came away with from the assessment was that we had to really work on the sequential memory, both the visual and the auditory sequencing skills, both digit span and working memory. And then I also knew that we needed to work on perceptual skills as well, her visual perceptual skills. In addition, I felt that there were some various auditory weaknesses that we were dealing with. Didn't have a chance to address the phonemic piece today because the first lesson we spent a lot of time just going over instructions and things like that and getting the hang of things. So we didn't really get a chance to do phonemic manipulation or memory today. So that'll be next time, hopefully. But I was really pleased with the visual sequencing. She was able to pass the preschool level. This is a fourth grader, but sometimes we get kids who don't even have a digit span working memory of a preschooler. So I was pleased that she was able to handle that today. She also finished the preschool level for the auditory sequencing exercise as well. She did have some difficulty with keeping the beat with the metronome, and so we'll want to be working on that. She was able to speed up and slow down, but not really in sync with the beat. So that's something we're going to want to work on as well, because that really helps students with many areas, especially of like self-control and integration of the right and left hemispheres. And then for the visual perception skill, we worked on my favorite. If you watch my channel at all, you know that I love the qubits game, and I use that for a lot of visual perception training. So I'll show you here what we worked on for visual perception with the qubits game today. So anyway, I felt like we had a really good session today. I told her mom when she came to pick her up that I was really pleased, that I felt like we had started at just the perfect level for her. And I'm really excited because I think we're going to really make some progress here moving forward. So I'll keep you updated. I'll probably check in a week or so after I have one or two more lessons with her. Okay, have a great week.